Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be doing part 2 of my HAPA KRISTIN contact lens review and haul. I have done the first part I think a few weeks ago now, so I'll put the link down below and also the link up here for you guys to check out, because over there I have also reviewed some lenses for you guys as well. And here with me I have another 5 here to review for you guys, and these are obviously different names as well. In case you guys don't know, HAPA KRISTIN is actually owned by True Fashion as well, and all of their contact lenses end with the name Kristin, which is really cool. And also with in regards of the shipping and stuff, they do provide free shipping. There's no minimum, there's no maximum for the purchase, and if you want express shipping, it's only $9.99. So in my previous haul I did use the express shipping way, but this time I decided to use just the normal standard shipping, and this took about 2.5 weeks to actually arrive to me, which I think is still a decent amount of time. And also, if you guys have watched the first one and you're back here to watch the second, I just want to thank you guys, because I know a few guys have also used my affiliated code, which honestly I did not expect at all, but I really super appreciate you guys did that. And also, if you guys are interested in a discount code of 10%, I'll put my discount code down below and in my description box as well if you guys are interested. So let's get started with the review. The first one is a daily contact lens. This one is 1 day, and this one contains 10 pieces, so 5 pairs contact lens, and the price is $19.99 for a day contact lens. This one is called OMG Kristin in the shade Hazel. I did try the grey one in my previous one, and I did say it's not like a natural grey, it's quite an obvious grey on your eyes. Now with this one, this Hazel is actually a beautiful color as well, and you can see the rim of that dark brown on the outer part of the eye, and on the inside you see the light brown. So this one is very similar to the grey pattern. So if you ask me to choose whether I like the grey or the brown, I'm not quite sure, because I actually do like both of them because they do look a little bit different somehow on the eyes. This one also reminds me a little bit of like a dolly eye look as well, because from far away it looks a bit dolly / puppy eye look. So I thought this is pretty nice. Second one is called OMG Kristin, and this is in the shade brown. It only comes in one shade, and this one, the pattern when you first put it on, it does look very similar to OMG Kristin, because you have the same outer rim as well, and with a little bit of like dot on the outer part. But what fascinated me with this contact lens is that the first reaction I had with this was that I was like, my god, it looks like I have snake skin on my contact lens. That's how the pattern looks like on me. You see like that little crease line, basically like a snake skin. You see those little cracks here and there. This looks like that on the contact lens. I don't say I do not like it, I don't say I like it. It's like half-half, but I will still wear this because it is again very unique. The pattern, this is how I see it, that just look like snake skin. But in regards of the diameter, this is actually quite small, which is great. This is only 12.8mm, which is awesome. 2 contact lens here is from the same collection, and this is called Having Fun Kristin. I have one the shade green and the other shade blue. I am currently wearing the blue one at the moment, and this, out of all the 5, this 2 has the smallest diameter of 12.7mm. If you guys are looking for a smaller contact lens, you can see it's actually not too small or too big. It's like perfect size. Now let's talk about the green one first, and this one's supposed to remind you of like Tinkerbell eyes, where it just looks dolly, looks magical, looks fairy light. Definitely agree with that. It does look like that. With the green, it does have that really nice jade dark green on the eyes, and also has like a very thin brown outline as well, which I thought was really nice. So definitely a very unique green color. Now with the blue one, I would have to say it's definitely my favorite amongst this whole haul, because I feel like this is such a unique blue. Because when I first put this on, I was like, wait a minute, am I actually wearing a blue contact lens? Because the only blue I could see was the outline. It felt like that blue was glowing as well. It looks like it was lighting up on my eyes. Okay guys, that's how beautiful it is. And then on the inside you get a combination of like a green / blue / purple as well, depending on the lighting where you're at. But again, it doesn't look like a sky blue or like a dark blue or like a baby blue, like, or aqua blue. Honestly guys, it's just, it's a different kind of blue on the eyes, but at the same time it felt like there's like 3 colors in it as well. So if I would have to like get you guys to choose one, it would definitely be this one for you guys to try, because it's very hard to explain this particular eye color, but I must say I really like this a lot. And even on here, like, it feels like this one looks gray, this one looks purple, but I don't know, it looks bizarre, but I feel like this is a very unique contact lens, and not only that, it looks very natural because of the diameter size as well. The last one is Up in the Air Kristin, and again this comes in only one shade, in the shade brown. This one looks like, I like the explanation of what they have said. It says that it looks like a shimmer of sunlight peeking between the cloud, which I totally agree, because yeah, it just looks like sunlight and then cloud covered, and you get the contact lens, voila. So when I first put this on, I could see the golden brown in the inside of the eyes, where it sort of represents like the sun ray, and then on the outer part you see like a little bit of like dots as well. Not sure why Kristin likes having dots in their contact lens. Maybe it's supposed to give you like a very natural look from far away, but on close up you can definitely see the dot on the outer rim of the eyes. So yeah, this one also have dots on the outer rim of the eye as well. So I thought it was actually quite interesting. And again, with Up in the Air, this is also a monthly lenses. So I hope you guys enjoy my haul from HAPA KRISTIN. If you guys want to see more contact lens from them, let me know down below, and what you guys want me to review next, because honestly they have tons and tons of contact lens in their collection, and I just I like that they just end with Kristin at the end. I don't know how they think of all this name, but I thought it's cool. And again, like I said in my first video, I love the packaging of this. Like they are all very different as well. Obviously having fun is the same, but look at that, the graphic is amazing as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you guys to give this contact lens a try if you guys haven't. So definitely, yeah, give this a try, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.